So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, and now you want to expand software, and now you want to expand Microsoft, and now we're going to scroll down till we find Office. We're going to scroll down till we find Office. You want to expand Office. And now you want to expand the Office version number that you're having a problem with. For me, it's going to be 16. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And now once you expand your Office number, there should be a folder here that says delivery. If you have the delivery folder, you want to click on that. In my case, I do not have delivery, so I'm going to right click on my number, and then click on new, and then click on key. I'm going to call this delivery. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did, and then click on enter. And now you want to click on the delivery folder. Make sure that you're in the delivery folder, and now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once you're on this, you just want to right click on the white space, and then click on new, and then click on string value. You want to call this local cache drive. Again, spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did, and then click on enter. And now you want to double click on this. You want to type in your Windows drive letter. To know what it is, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. You want to find a drive that has the Windows logo on it. For me, it's my C drive. So I'm going to close out of this and then come back to here. I'm going to type in the letter C. So you're just going to type in your Windows drive letter. For you, it's also most likely going to be C. Now you're going to click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.